Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with Morning Market Stir for Monday, May the 8th. Friday fun, stocks open up higher, decent jobs numbers, drifted throughout most of the day, but closed on their session highs. Looking at things, it was about a quarter percent bump on the day, and if you total out the S&Ps, up 7% year to date after about a 0.5% gain last week. The Dow gained 1/3% last week, now to total 6%. And the NDX continues to lead the way, closing on its all-time tip-top highs. It's now a 16% gain so far this year and 30% in the last 52 weeks when you look at the NDX. Interesting action elsewhere. Crude oil, obviously, on Friday, we saw that big dip down to 43.75, but a positive close, a key reversal there. New year lows in the June contract, closing up 50 cents at 46.50, so that's the possible sign of reversal bottom. We also saw gold in play. It was down $40 last week, ended up being up 2 on Friday, trading between $1,300 and $1,225 was last week's low, so we want to keep an eye on that. Also, the dollar index was holding around 98, and the euro around the 110 level ahead of the French election. So where do things stand now? It's Monday morning after the big election weekend. Well, things are steady, drifting a little bit lower. Initial reaction in the overnight markets had stocks higher, giving up some of those gains. We've got the S&P down 3, the Nasdaq down 4, and the Dow down about 25. Interesting action in the currencies. We saw new relative highs in the euro, but now it's gone negative, and also the reverse in the dollar. The dollar made new multi-month lows, lowest level since November, and now it's bounced back, and we're moving into the positive in that dollar index. Other markets to focus on, crude had that reversal on Friday, right now down 20 cents at 46.03, and gold up $4 at 12.31, was up about $8 initially. So to summarize, stocks are steady here this morning, down about 3 right now in the E-mini S&P, down 3 in the Nasdaq 100, and down 25 in the Dow futures. 83% of S&P companies reported so far this quarter, 77 beat on EPS, and 66 on revenue. So that's a very healthy sign. Growth rate for this quarter is 13.5%, so that's the most growth in earnings since 2011. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.